What is up, guys? Welcome to another video, and today I'm gonna be showing the fidgets that are in my room. So where do we start? Actually first I just wanted to show you. I made this like weight with Legos, the mini Legos, and then I also made one with the big Legos. So that's pretty cool. Got a Spine in Japan for Christmas from these awesome YouTubers called VQuaint and Chad Wild Clay. I got a Spine in Japan from them. I got a decoder wheel. And the last thing I got, I think, was one of those hearing devices that Daniel Gizmo made for them. So that was cool. Now, where do we start on the fidgets? Right here. So we have this shooting star fidget. It's a poppet. Really fun, really cool. It's very satisfying, and you can really get used to it and play with it a lot. Really cool. Now, next, we have this. So, let me give you an example. So, let's say this is on this side. So this is like that. So that means on the other side it has a shape that looks like my hand. Now, I love doing this. So I love just doing this and then making everything on. I'm just making my fingers thin. I love just pushing that in. I love just pushing this in. I don't think, not a lot of people would think it's fun because it actually kind of hurts, so don't try that at home. Now, what fidget's next? This is actually a game. So, you have to think of a symbol. Either, so 0 through 15, plus, equals, or minus. You can do a lot of games. You can do math with this. You can do, like 9 minus 5 plus 5, it equals, and then you can obviously do 9 again. It's weird. Now, it's another poppet, by the way, too. So, really fun, really cool. Next. A simple dimple. The poppers on this thing are so big and so satisfying. The bigger, the more satisfying. Very satisfying. I recommend getting one if you want. It's the same thing as this, but it's just yellow. Next. This poppet. It's tie-dye and rainbow, sort of. Now, it's really fun to pop, and it's really easy to pop. So if you're a poppet fan and you don't have that much good of pop holes, then I recommend you get this one. It is really cool. Most poppets are on Amazon, so I think you could get this one on Amazon. Really cool, really satisfying, really fun. you're a big Poppet fan, I recommend you get one. Next, please. Ooh. Next, a Rubik's Cube. And like I give shout-outs, like the person I gave to a shout-out to, this is his logo of his merch. His name is Preston Plays. I really recommend you subscribe to him because he puts so much work into his videos. He plays Minecraft. He plays Roblox. He does real life. He has like 5 channels. I recommend you subscribe to him. His name is Preston. Look up that channel. Then you can tap on his logo. Watch one of his videos. Tap on his logo. Swipe out of that. It'll show you his whole channel. Swipe down. And then tap on channels up on the top. And you will see all of his YouTube channels. I recommend you subscribe to him. Next, please. Oh, a fidget spinner soccer ball. Now, let's see if I can... I balanced it on one finger. Now, something cool is that when you spin it, you can actually put it on the ground. And then I think it's supposed to start rolling. That was on carpet. So it doesn't work that good on carpet. It works best on either metal or wood. But concrete, it will not work. That's good. Next, please. Oh, I love these things. It's like a monkey noodle, but it's like hard and very, very long. Now you can do this in all ways. So this one, the orange ones bend this way. And then these ones bend this way. And then just wait until what shape I make. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think I broke science. What is this? Next, please. Another Poppet. Poppets are one of the most popular fidgets out there right now. Now, other than fidget spinners. Now, it's a rainbow, but the blue and green are switched places. It's weird. I got it from a fidget advent calendar for Christmas. Oh, and Happy New Year. It is December 31st. I want to wish you a Happy New Year. Next fidget. Oh, it's like a simple dimple because it has like the rock solid sides, but I just love these. They're like Poppets too. Oh, now the other side. Oh, that makes a loud noise. Oh. Next, please. Same thing as earlier. Same thing as almost to the last one. I just want to pop this. Hold on. This is the good side. These have no bad sides. They are both good. Even this one. I have 2 of these and 2 of these. And 2 of these, but they're just a different color. Hold on. I want to finish popping the good side. Oh, wait. The camera can pop the last one. Up and... Oh, it actually popped! It popped! It popped! Next, please. Ooh, Oh, this time a fidget spinner. Oh, I remember this from one of my videos. I spun it on one finger. It looks like it stops and spins the other way, but it's really just spinning the same way. Oh, it's a simple dimple fidget spinner. You can call it a pop-it fidget spinner, whatever you want. But it's also only a 2-popper one. So it's just like a normal simple dimple. Ooh. Wait, spin it on the camera. Okay. I'm spinning it on the phone. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, it stopped on the camera. I'm recording on phone, it's not a camera. Guys, I'm getting a gaming setup on 2023. It's the day before 2022. I want to wish you a happy new year and a Merry Christmas. And a happy holidays too. It is almost 2022, the end of the year. My sister thought it was the end of her life. Do not think that, because it's not. Hold on. It's on the phone right now. Hold on. I also got a TV. I just love this. I just love this fidget spinner. Now this is cool. Hold on. Hold up. That's cool. Oh! I should do a short with this. Don't tell me it's gonna end on the camera again. Oh my god, it did. That's gonna be it for this video. Peace.